What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Monday, June 16th, we have Costco Exposed. We're going to take a walk through the warehouse, find all the great discontinued deals, and expose them here on my channel. Let's get on with the video. And starting the video off in the #1 spot from Cryptic, we're looking at their Ethos collection right in front of us. This is their range bag. They also have the rifle bag to my left as well. But the range bag, it does have 7 built-in magazine holders, 4 outer storage pockets with 2 removable pistol sleeves. It also has a nice removable strap, so if you feel like using it, you can. If not, just remove it, which is great. Now the bag is water resistant as well. Very nice bag here, super popular here at Costco, and today they're taking $10 off the price. They have marked it discontinued here at the warehouse, $49.99. In the #2 spot, let me start off by saying if you did receive this for Father's Day, let me apologize right now. This brush is absolutely garbage. It's from Auto Spa. This is their professional dip and wash deluxe wash kit. Now it's a nice kit because you get the brush, you get the mitt, and you get the wheel cleaner. So you get all 3 of them. That's nice, but the actual brush is trash. Now, it does have a 360-degree pivoting head with rubber bumpers. That part is great. The actual brush is no bueno. So this brush, not good. $5 off, $19.99. In the #3 spot from Pony, we're looking at their 2-in-1 heavy-duty foldable work table. It's also collapsible, which is great, has a large load capacity, and it does include 4 bench dogs with 2 safety straps. They even give you the easy clamp. This is a fantastic product here at Costco, and they have marked it discontinued. So a lot of people are going to be asking themselves, why is it important to find discontinued items here at Costco, what to look out for, and how do we know it's been marked discontinued? Well, I'm going to tell you how right now. Now in the top right corner, we can see that star. That star indicates that this product has been marked discontinued. To my left, we have a 7-digit number. That number is the item number. Now it's usually 7 digits, but it could be less, it could be more, but usually 7 digits. So when it comes to discontinued deals here at Costco, sometimes they do apply a discount, and this is a good thing to know. Now the whole purpose behind knowing discontinued deals is that way we can kind of gauge when a product may or may not go on clearance. If an item here at the warehouse has a lot of inventory, they marked it to discontinued, they applied a discount to it, and they still have a lot of inventory left, you're going to see that product drop on clearance. This is a good thing to know. Some of you may have bought this Fantic drill maybe a couple of months ago at $69.99, and maybe in a couple of weeks it's going to drop on clearance. You can come back and get a refund for it, or if you always wanted that item, you can buy it now on clearance before it does sell out. That's the whole madness behind these discontinued deals. These are good deals. Sometimes it's good to grab them while they last. We have the Nexus shampoo right in front of us. This is their color wash protection system. Now, another popular item here at Costco, this item right in front of us is a discontinued deal. They applied a $6 discount, bringing it down to $23.99. Sometimes when the item has a nice discount applied to it, it sells out very fast. Sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't sell out very fast and they marked it down, after that, most likely it's going to drop on clearance. And here we have a Samsung 27-inch curved monitor, very attractive monitor, all white with even a white bezel. Now today they've marked it discontinued. They also applied a nice discount to it. They're taking $20 off the price. It's full HD at 1920 by 1080, has a 60 Hz refresh rate with a 4 millisecond response time. $20 off the price, $129.99. So that deal is valid till June 22nd. Most likely after that deal does end, maybe in a week, maybe in a couple weeks, the whole premise behind everything is hoping after a couple weeks when it goes back to normal price, you're going to see it drop on clearance. And now from Sunbrella, we do have their Chase lounge chair cushions on sale. Now these come in a single pack. If you want the dual pack, you have to grab it at Costco online. But here at the warehouse, the price is much cheaper. This is a discontinued deal at $20 off the price, bringing it down to $69.99. Also from Sunbrella, we have their outdoor seat pads on sale as well. The chairs have been marked discontinued too. A lot of items here in the patio section have been marked on clearance. We have the furniture, we have the seat pads. These have been marked discontinued. Most likely in a couple of weeks, these are going to be on clearance as well. $5 off the price, $14.99. And if you missed out on last week's Costco clearance video, make sure you watch that at the end of this video. Like the kids say, it was a banger. And now for the ladies, a great discontinued deal here at Costco. We have the women's Puma court sneakers. Now the all white looks amazing. They have these available at Costco online as well. So if you don't feel like coming to the warehouse, just grab them online. Fantastic price. Today, they're giving us a $5 discount. They marked them down. We have plenty of sizes available as well as online. Now online, you can grab them for $26.99. Here at the warehouse, after a $5 discount, you can grab them for $24.99. The only difference is at Costco online, whether you grab the men's or the women's, they do qualify for the mix and match where you can potentially save $20 to $50 extra off your purchases. So keep that in mind before you do buy them at the warehouse. And now for the men's, we have the Puma skate sneakers. We have the brown, we have the gray. Both of them available here at the warehouse, $5 off the price. These are available at Costco online for $26.99. Here at the warehouse, $24.99. Now check out this deal from iRobot in the number 11 spot. Pay close attention to this one. We're looking at the Roomba. This is the J6. Very, very popular vacuum when it comes to robot vacuums. The J6 model. A lot of people love it. This has the auto empty dock, 60-day capacity, has advanced sensors with the camera. Now a lot of people love this model with the 60-day capacity. Super nice. Now today we have a great discount. Now this deal is only valid to the 15th. They're taking $150 off the price, bringing it down to $349.99. The only problem is today's the 16th. We missed out on that deal, but check out the new price here at Costco online. They already marked it down on clearance, down to $299.97. How do we know it's on clearance? Anything that ends in a 97 indicates a clearance item here at Costco, whether it's online or at the warehouse. Now let me give you another clearance deal here at Costco online. Check out this deal from LG. It's a 31 cubic feet French door refrigerator, has the InstaView, super awesome refrigerator. It's very, very large at 31 cubic feet. No, it's not counter depth. It's 31 cubic feet, very big. Has the dual cooling, has the ice maker, water, everything you need. Energy Star as well, 88 compliant. Now check out that price, $999.97, $1,000. Delivered, installed, haul away, 2-year warranty. Everything you want is included. Delivery, installation, haul away with a 2-year warranty for $1,000. Can't beat that. Super awesome deal. LG makes a decent refrigerator as well. Now, when it comes to Costco online clearance, a lot of these products sell out very fast. They're priced very aggressive, and a lot of times they include delivery and installation, and a lot of people love that. We have the Tommy Bahama downlights, 40 lumens each, $39.99. Now these have been marked discontinued as well. So now we have the GTX right in front of us, another very popular light. Now a lot of people like this because of the bulb, has that Edison bulb in it, $37.99. These are pathway lights, they come in a 4-pack. These have been marked discontinued. Wait for that one to drop on clearance. We have the Infinity right next to it, the security lights. Those are 500 lumens each. They come in a 2-pack. These are decent lights as well. Wait for this one to drop on clearance. These are $24.99. To the right of that, we have the Articas. Now stay away from the Artica string lights. Those have horrible reviews. Those are garbage. Like my father says, all this crapola is going to be on clearance very soon. Don't pay full price. The whole purpose of my channel is to save money. Who doesn't love to save money? And we see some great deals here at Costco. You can hear my voice. I can give you a headache. Moving on, those fight lights right next to it. Stay tuned for that in a second. Let's go over this Artica once again. These are bad lights. Don't buy them. $29.99. Horrible reviews online. Now, the Artica brand is great. Just those solar lights are a bust. Now, these lights right here from Fights, these are awesome. Great reviews, very, very durable. Now, the minute you take them out of the box, you can feel the heavy gauge core to them. These are very heavy duty. They're built to last. I've had these for like 5 years, maybe 3 years. I don't know. A good amount of time on my fence, and they work great. You can connect like 1,000,000 lights together. So these are pretty awesome. Around my house, I think I have like maybe 6 or 7 sets connect together. And let's check out this vacuum from Shark. We have their Performance Plus. This is their lift away upright vacuum. Has an advanced 2-brush roll system. Even has a nice LED headlight, which is pretty cool. Now this one lifts away like it does. Now I didn't lift it away. I just pulled off the unit here, but it actually lifts right away from the vacuum. Pretty similar to what I just did there, except you grab in a little bit more components. Now this product right in front of us, they marked it discontinued. They're giving us a pretty decent discount on this unit. They're taking $70 off the price, bringing it down to $219.99. And moving on to the number 14 spot, once again from Shark, we're looking at their Detect, a very popular vacuum. This is the clean and empty vacuum. It's a cordless stick vacuum with the auto empty system. A lot of people love this vacuum. Super lightweight, auto empty, pretty fun. Now today we get a nice $80 discount. That's going to bring the price down to $299.99. Now this vacuum has the boost power, so it increases power up to 50% every time you're going over a big pile of dirt. It boosts it, and that way you can suck up the dirt a lot easier. Pretty cool vacuum, has the HEPA filter. Now this is going for $299.99. The only problem, this deal ended, but that's okay because now it's on clearance. The deal ended today, and look at that. They dropped it down to clearance, down to $249.97, just like the Roomba vacuum. Now we're looking at the Shark vacuum, also on clearance. Now these products may or may not be on clearance at your local warehouse. If they're not on clearance yet, wait a week. They'll drop it. Just wait, or you can just buy it here at Costco online. And moving on to the number 15 spot, we have the Ice Sphere molds. These are pretty popular here at Costco. Great little molds, great for drinks. Now these do come in a set of 4. They make the perfect little ice molds. Now you can get very creative with these ice molds, so I don't want to help you out. You can just use your imagination here. You can use this for a variety of different reasons. They're BPA free. Now these molds, they create 2.5-inch diameter spheres. They're very nice. A lot of people like to use them in their whiskey drinks. These are very cool. Now, they don't melt fast. That's why they're very popular. Now, they have marked this item on discontinued. They're taking $4 off the price. These are down to $9.99. And moving on to the number 16 spot from Starbucks, we're looking at their 2-pack of tumblers. These are 24-ounce tumblers. They also come with a little bit of iced coffee. There it is, 6 iced coffee K-Cup pods. Whoa, not 6 K-Cup pods. What a set. Who's going to buy that now, right? So anyways, this set is $24.99. It has been marked discontinued. Actually, this product has been marked discontinued over a month ago, and it's still not on clearance. But this one from Henkel's, this one has been marked discontinued like 2 months ago, maybe even 3. They just applied another deal to it. They're trying to liquidate it. Very nice set from Henkel's. This is a German steel set here. Very nice, 10 pieces that you can see there. They have one on display. Let me show you that in just a second. Now today, the normal price of this unit is $109. They're taking $20 off the price. Very nice set. Comes with a block. Super cool. So if you are in the market for a new knife set, check out this one from Henkel's. Now they're only giving us a $20 discount. If you're like me, I'm going to wait till it drops in price. $89.99. In the number 18 spot, if you do like to entertain, we have the Build-A-Board from Sabatier. Now, this is their charcuterie boards here. So it's bamboo, comes with a lock and lid. Now, originally, when I first saw this product, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but I'm starting to like the price. It's coming down. That's what I like to see. I like to see prices very, very low. Now, the design of it, there's nothing special. It's just bamboo with a nice lock and lid. $4 off the price. That I like. $15.99. It's getting a little better. I prefer to see around $10. Look how many units we have left. This is going to drop on clearance very, very fast, so stay tuned for that as well. In the number 19 spot from Hodo, we have their 40-piece household toolkit. Now, the star of the show is the electric screwdriver that it comes with. The rest of the pieces, they're like little toys. Some of them are useful, most of them are not. But the star of the show, the electric screwdriver, great price at $29.99. My opinion, the reason why this is not selling very well is because their packaging is not appealing at all. Very inexpensive looking. They did a bad job with the packaging. $29.99. In the number 20 spot, we have the Easy On gutter guards. Now, these are going for $69.99. They're not on sale. They're not on clearance, but just wait. They're going to be dropped in price. These have been marked discontinued. They have the micro mesh. They're stainless steel. Super easy to install. They have double-sided tape, so you can just slap them right on, or you can use Tapcon screws and screw them right to the gutters. Now, I have mixed feelings about gutter guards, but the reviews on these are absolutely amazing. I am considering putting them on my house, definitely. And now from Cool Spot, we have their outdoor sunshade. It's pole operated, but look at that price. These are 8x8. These are fantastic. These are pretty awesome sunshades. They have them here at the warehouse. Last year, we've seen these go on clearance. Now, these do cool your space. You just use the little pole and roll them up, or you can roll them down. Quick and easy installation. $13 off the price. These are only $59.99. If you can wait till they drop on clearance. So earlier I did show everyone the Sun Villa chair pads. These are the actual chairs. These are commercial style chairs from Sun Villa. They look pretty amazing. What's nice about these chairs, you can stack them on top of each other. Now these have been marked discontinued. We have a nice deal. They also have the table available as well, the matching table. These chairs are pretty nice. The only issue is they're a little bit on the smaller size width-wise, so they can be kind of snug. $15 off the price, $39.99. Now the commercial chair, commercial table, $79.99. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. Tomorrow's video, we're going to have the flash deals for the week, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be another exciting video. All right, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.
Udah ya,